Imagine doubling your strength and muscle size within the manner of 2 months. With the power of science, this is an achievable goal. The science of muscle growth is grounded in understanding key factors like progressive overload, nutrition, hypertrophy, and etc. First, we'll look at the science behind hypertrophy. Then we'll explore how strength training techniques contribute to muscle growth. Finally, we'll discuss the role of nutrition and recovery and how it plays into growing the muscle and having them become stronger. Let's begin with muscle growth and what causes muscle growth. The main factor of muscle growth is the stimulus called hypertrophy. A muscle fiber recruitment and the importance of tension for growth is hypertrophy. Research shows that mechanical tension and metabolic stress on the muscle play a crucial role in hypertrophy. This basically means having the muscle at a stretched position to a contracted position, the eccentric and the concentric part of the movement. Under load, progressively getting heavier over time will cause the muscles to grow. The role of progressive overload in driving muscle adaptation, according to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, consistently increasing your resistance stimulus and muscle growth, also known as progressive overload, progressively getting heavier and heavier, whether that is small by 5 pounds or more like 20 pounds, it doesn't matter. As long as you're going week to week, getting heavier and heavier and heavier, your muscles will get bigger and they will adapt to the load that they have been exposed to. Now that we've explored how muscles grow, let's look how strength training and optimal strength training leads to hypertrophy and leads to the process of growing your muscles. So this is how strength training techniques maximize your muscle growth. The strength training stimulus muscle fibers repair and grow stronger through what I've just explained for the stretch and the concentric position. Techniques like proper form and varied rep ranges are optimal for results over time, like the 2-month span that I was talking about. And studies highlight that combining different rep ranges enhances both strength and endurance. So week to week, just like how you're getting heavier and heavier and heavier, going more in the reps in the movements that you are doing will increase muscle size and strength over time. Strength training alone isn't enough for your muscles to grow. The gym is basically the place where you get the stimulus. You're not actually growing in the gym, you are growing outside of the gym, and that is the most important factor, in my opinion, to growing and getting stronger. This is nutrition and recovery, the most important part of all of this. The number one thing you need to ingest in everything that you eat or drink is protein. Protein is the single thing that will grow your muscle next to hypertrophy. Without protein, your muscles will not go through protein synthesis and they will not grow bigger. Along with that, the other most important thing, also known as the best steroid ever, is sleep. Excuse me. Around 8 to 10 hours of sleep is the most optimal for muscle growth. When you fall asleep and go into REM sleep, your body will adjust to the load that it's been exposed to and will grow over time. And when you don't get enough sleep, your body does not have enough time to grow and get better and get stronger and get everything that you want out of it. Without sleep, anything that you do in the gym or even outside of the gym in your nutrition will not show in the matter of 2 months. By understanding the process of muscle growth, individuals can optimize their fitness routines, grow better, stronger, faster, whatever you want, feel better in yourself and in your own body. We've discussed the science behind muscle hypertrophy, effective training techniques, and the importance of nutrition and recovery. All three of these main points that I've pointed out all have to work in unison. If you aren't doing one of them, then you will not get the most results out of it as you could be. If you are not getting enough sleep, you won't grow. If you aren't eating enough protein, not getting enough carbs, not getting enough healthy fats, then you will not be growing as well. And if you aren't training, you just won't grow at all. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, knowing the science behind muscle growth empowers you to train smarter and achieve better results. This is the most important part, is knowing the science, because science is the truth, and everything about hypertrophy, muscle contraction, everything is all scientific and can all be proven through science. So knowing all of this information is crucial in order to grow.